Hi, I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S. College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to do the exercise called multiple linear regression model. Okay. So multiple linear regression model. So first we have, for that we have to load the data set. So the first one will be the empty cars. So this is the data set which going to store the value of MP, display, HP, weight, and some of the values I am just giving that. So here I am just creating the data and load it into the data set which is named called empty cars. So next we are going to identify. So it's going to combine only the four categories: mpg, display, hp, and weight. These four, based on these four column, I'm just creating one data set, and going to display only the top five field, that is the beginning, from the beginning five fields only displayed here. So next, for that we are going to analyze the multiple linear regression model. So what the multiple linear regression model will do is, one dependent variable may have multiple independent. Okay, so the dependent variable may can have more than independent variable. Sorry, yes, for example, so semester mark will be always dependent on Tamil, English marks, and other subject marks. So based on this only, the semester analysis will do. How, whether it is pass or fail, whether the person is obtaining percentage or grade or identify based on these marks only we have find it. So LM bracket, the variable name, that is a dependent variable, tilde independent variables. The MPG is a dependent on these three. So MPG is always dependent on display, HPT, and WT. So where the data is connected from the input. So from the model I am obtaining the coefficients of what are the intercept and disciplines on HP and weight. So next one will be just I am printing the values. So here the print will be of based on four categories: mpg, sorry, that is disp, HP, and WT. So for these three I am just giving the coefficients values. So the first coefficient value is displayed as a COEF bracket model of 1. The first one will be the displayed here. So what is the difference between linear and multiple is, so here the linear model is this is the linear model, linear regression. Here only the one variable is dependent on another one, that is the salary is dependent on year of experience. Sorry. So here the salary is entirely dependent on year of experience. But in the case of multiple linear regression, so what it here the salary is entirely dependent on year of experience. But in the case of multiple linear regression, it is not. So the MPG is always dependent on display, HT, and WT. So the code all will be the same. The formula, from the formula I am just giving the salary tilde symbol year of experience. In the linear model, by using the multiple linear regression, what I am giving, yes, MPG tilde symbol disp, just I am scrolling down, here disp plus HP plus WT. அப்போ எடுத்தோம் MPG is always dependent on disp, HPT, and WT. That is the symbolic representations of this one. So in this video I am again repeating that the multiple linear regression, is nothing but one variable may be dependent on many other variable. Yes, here I am just giving the example as MPG is always dependent on display, HP, and WT. So here MPG is always dependent on three variables: display, HPT, and WT. So I am just segregating the values. So by using the LM function, that is the linear model, again I am just using the code as MPG tilde symbol display plus HP plus WT. which means that these three is MPG is always dependent on these three things. Based on the data set I am collecting, that the result will be shown based on the coefficient of DISP, HP and WT. Thank you.